I'm Logan from the Carpool Identification System team. The purpose of this project is to design and implement a system capable of checking if a car is carpooling or not. To do so, the system will be able to check the license plate of the car and the number of people inside of it. With this information, the system will then allow or deny access to the car park. As you might have understood by now, the car park is restricted to the people carpooling and registered with their license plate. Of course, we will use a camera to check the license plate of the car. But the question is then, what kind of system should we use to process all the images coming from the camera? It has to work outside with rain and temperature that can go below 0 degrees Celsius. The processing power also has to be good because it will have to process several images per second in real time. The real-time aspect is really important because the car cannot wait too much before getting the authorization and getting access to the car park. Also, the purpose is not to reinvent the wheel. Some great license plate recognition algorithms are accessible and could be integrated to our project. The Raspberry Pi is often used for this kind of application. An existing algorithm could easily be integrated to our project with the Raspberry Pi. However, the Raspberry Pi cannot work outside and cannot be trusted for the final implementation. An alternative has to be found. The Revolution Pi, a kind of Raspberry Pi but for industry, could be one of the solutions. Or an industrial computer could be another one. Those two solutions are good, but they are much more expensive than the classic Raspberry Pi. And because of the limited budget of our project, it has been decided to phase it into different parts. The first step of the project would be to design the project at a theoretical level and to test it in lab conditions with low-cost materials. This is the step our team is working on this year. If the tests are successful, the second step will be carried out by another team who will be working on the project in the coming years with the purpose of the final implementation and the definitive materials. So, to sum it up, we will be working with the Raspberry Pi to design and test the project in a lab condition because it can be perfectly used for our application and it has a really low cost.